At least in Minecraft, you have emeralds which you could trade with villagers with. BRICS, I don't even know what that is. Let's look at what BRICS is and how it economically not a viable currency option. 1. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These are the countries of BRICS. It's not even a real currency or a viable currency in any way, shape, or form, and it never will be. 100% guaranteed. Let's look at South Africa. South Africa, it has like 33% unemployment. Currency is usually tied to the viability of the country. Yes, it's tied to monetary policy, like how much money is printed and expanded, but it's also tied to the general value of the country as a whole in terms of economic viability. So I wouldn't put South Africa on my top list of economically stable countries if it has 33% unemployment. Let's look at Russia. Russia, the ruble, if you think Russia's a good investment, then you should put all your money into the ruble. I'm not recommending that. I'm saying that sarcastically. The ruble has decreased. That's another 33% in the last year. It's down to 12 to the US dollar, and it's probably going to go lower, and it's very politically unstable. There's a huge question mark if it's even going to exist as a country. It sounds crazy, but if you really believe in that, then put your money where your mouth is. Russia is not a viable country economically. India, very nice people, nothing bad to say, except there's a lot of poverty in India. India is filled with poverty. They have so many economic problems about increasing the GDP per capita of their own country. I wouldn't say it's going to be competing with the United States of America or Euro, like Germany or something. And then you have China. China's a question mark. Again, they're a communist country which is, under an extreme political regime. It's not like peace and love, open up to the world. So the countries of the BRICS, it's a little bit like trading with the villagers in Minecraft, emeralds. They'll offer you a fish and the villagers will want like 5 emeralds. It's not a viable thing. A lot of people say that the BRICS countries are going to replace the dollar. Not a chance. 100% guaranteed. 0% chance. The dollar is such a more viable currency than any other currency in the world. If anything, I would put it in the euro. The euro is a pretty viable currency. You could do it in the Polish zloty. You could do it in the Great British Pound. These are viable countries and viable currencies tied to the fundamental economic value of the country. There's an expression, all roads lead to Rome. The United States is like Rome. There's always this innovation and creativity. It's always reinventing itself. Something like Russia is like a 19th century country. Most of the population lives in utter poverty. They're basing it on what's called the resource curse, which means they have natural resources, but those natural resources are in the future economies are not going to be viable in the same way they are today. It's like going back to a time machine to the 1800s, and you're going to invest in coal and railroad stocks. Okay, coal mining stocks and railroad stocks. You're not going to do that today. You're probably going to invest in high-tech stocks, something that's new and innovative. And analogously, the economy of Russia is based on fossil fuels, and that will be replaced. Nuclear fusion. There's going to be alternatives coming up, and efficiency gains from AI. The economy will go away because it's too one-sided the way it's based. So is BRICS going to replace the dollar? Not a chance. And you know, people are going to say, well, transactions will be done in this currency or that. Not a chance. And the ultimate proof of that is, what are you going to invest in? If you had $1,000, would you keep it in the dollar? If you had to choose a currency, would you keep it in the dollar, the Great British Pound, the euro? Or would you put it in something like the Chinese currency or the Russian currency? I think you have to stop and think how realistic that idea is when you relate it to your own personal economic situation. I would rather have it in an American US Treasury earning whatever it's earning right now than any of those other BRIC countries. So that's my opinion on BRICS. My opinion on BRICS is, it's nothing. I'd rather be trading with Minecraft villagers, emeralds for fish. Thank you very much.